everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An urban container garden is the practice of growing plants, ranging from ornamental flowers to edible vegetables and herbs, exclusively in pots, tubs, and other portable vessels rather than in the ground. This method is specifically tailored for city dwellers who live in environments where traditional garden space is non-existent, such as apartments with balconies, townhomes with small patios, or even just a sunny windowsill. Essentially, it is about reclaiming the concrete jungle and turning man-made surfaces into productive living ecosystems. It allows anyone, regardless of their square footage, to become a gardener by utilizing vertical space and mobile containers to mimic a natural landscape. The benefits of starting an urban container garden extend far beyond simple aesthetics. One of the primary advantages is the immediate improvement in mental well-being. Tending to plants has been scientifically proven to reduce stress and provide a sense of peaceful accomplishment amidst the hustle of city life. Environmentally, these gardens help mitigate the urban heat island effect by cooling the air around your home and improving local air quality. For those interested in sustainability, container gardening offers the opportunity to grow organic, pesticide-free food, reducing your food miles and grocery bills. Furthermore, containers offer better control over soil quality and drainage, and they significantly reduce the physical strain of gardening since there is no heavy tilling or extensive weeding required. Decorating your urban container garden is an art form that focuses on layering, color, and texture to create a sense of depth in a limited area. To make your garden look beautiful, start by choosing a cohesive color palette for your pots. Using various sizes of the same material, like terracotta or sleek black ceramic, creates a professional, curated look. Utilize verticality by incorporating wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or tiered shelving to draw the eye upward and make the space feel larger. Incorporating thriller, filler, and spiller plants, where one tall plant commands attention, mid-sized plants fill the gaps, and trailing vines drape over the edges, adds a dynamic, professional touch to every pot. Don't forget to add non-plant elements like fairy lights, weather-resistant outdoor rugs, or small decorative stones to bridge the gap between your interior home decor and your outdoor oasis. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful urban container garden, as you need varieties that thrive in restricted root environments. For those seeking a harvest, cherry tomatoes, salad greens, radishes, and bush beans are excellent choices because they are high-yielding and adapt well to pots. Herbs like rosemary, basil, mint, and thyme are essential for city gardeners, offering both fragrance and culinary utility in very small footprints. If your goal is purely ornamental, hardy perennials like lavender, hostas, and pansies provide reliable beauty. Succulents are perfect for high-rise balconies with intense sun and wind, while ferns and caladiums are ideal for shaded city patios. The key is to match the plant's light requirements with the specific microclimate of your urban space. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best urban container garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the living wall tapestry. This idea utilizes a modular vertical slat system to hold dozens of small pots, creating a literal wall of greenery. In this image, we see a gardener meticulously arranging various species of ferns, neon pothos, and colorful coleus. This setup is perfect for narrow balconies where floor space is at a premium, allowing you to grow a massive volume of plants without blocking your walking path. 2. Tiered metallic elegance. Using multi-tiered metallic planters provides a sophisticated, sculptural look to a public or private walkway. This design features large copper-toned bowls stacked to different heights, overflowing with vibrant purple azaleas, trailing ivy, and ornamental grasses. It demonstrates how heavy-duty containers can bring a sense of luxury and structured landscaping to an urban environment dominated by stone and glass. 3. The classic railing bloom box. Railing planters are the quintessential urban gardening tool, and this example shows a beautiful woven dark wicker basket securely mounted to a white porch railing. The arrangement features a stunning mix of bright red ranunculus, soft pink roses, and delicate blue muscari. This setup is ideal for adding curb appeal to an apartment exterior while keeping your plants at eye level for easy maintenance. 4. The cozy reading nook garden. This idea focuses on integrating furniture with foliage to create a functional outdoor room. A simple wooden folding chair is surrounded by oversized black floor planters bursting with bright pink petunias and lush green ferns. By placing high-volume flowering plants around your seating area, you create a private, fragrant sanctuary that feels completely separated from the surrounding city noise. 5. The synthetic turf balcony Oasis. Transforming a cold concrete balcony floor with artificial grass immediately changes the vibe of an urban space. This garden features a variety of terracotta and ceramic pots perched on the railing and floor, filled with geraniums and herbs. The combination of the green lawn and the organized chaos of the pots creates the illusion of a backyard in the middle of a high-rise complex. 6. The modern rooftop vegetable patch. For a clean, contemporary look, utilize black fabric grow bags and sleek railing troughs. This image shows a highly productive rooftop garden growing tomatoes with bamboo supports, peppers, and cucumbers alongside a trough of fresh lettuce. The use of fabric bags is a brilliant urban hack, as they are lightweight, prevent root circling, and can be easily folded away during winter. 7. Evergreen textures in stone. If you prefer a low-maintenance, year-round green look, focus on conifers and hardy shrubs. This arrangement uses aged stone pots to house various species of cypress and spruce, accented by a dark ceramic water jar. The different shades of green and varied needle textures provide a calming, zen-like atmosphere that remains beautiful even in the coldest months. 8. The urban social deck. This large-scale container garden uses oversized dark planters to create walls of privacy around a social seating area. Featuring vibrant orange chairs and a modern gray table, the space is framed by tall leafy shrubs and flowering agapanthus. This setup proves that with large enough containers, you can grow substantial trees and bushes that provide genuine shade and privacy from neighbors. 9. The potted tomato orchard. This idea is all about maximizing food production using traditional terracotta pots on a wooden pallet base. By growing determinate tomato varieties supported by simple stakes, you can create an organized and highly productive orchard in just a few square feet. It is a functional and rustic look that brings the feeling of a countryside farm to a city patio. 10. The DIY recycled vertical garden. Sustainability meets creativity in this vertical garden, made entirely from recycled plastic bottles. The bottles are cut, painted, and hung from a security grate to house rows of leafy greens like bok choy and lettuce. This is the ultimate budget-friendly urban garden idea, proving that you don't need expensive equipment to grow your own fresh food and beautify your surroundings. Starting an urban container garden is one of the most rewarding ways to personalize your living space and connect with nature. Whether you have a massive rooftop or just a tiny fire escape, there is always room for one more pot. By choosing the right containers and plants, you can create a thriving ecosystem that provides beauty, food, and peace of mind right outside your door. If you enjoyed these urban gardening tips and want to see more small space transformations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. Comment below and let us know, which of these 10 ideas was your favorite, or what are you currently growing on your balcony? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to make your home and garden look spectacular. Happy gardening!